Guess who's back in the house? It's Samantha here with Samantha Breaks the Recipe, and today we're starting a new little segment situation, and it's called Learn to Like. So if you don't know already, the list of things that I do like to eat versus the list of things I don't like to eat is much shorter than the other, right? So rewind it. The stuff I like to eat, that list is way shorter than the stuff that I don't like to eat. So with that being said, I really want to use this channel to have personal growth and to connect with people. But one of the things I want to do is learn how to eat foods or try different foods and see whether or not I like them. And so we're going to start slow today with avocados. Now, I hate avocados. I hate the taste. I hate the texture. I hate how they look. I hate how they feel. I don't like anything about avocados. I hate how they get brown. I just don't like avocados. They're stupid in my opinion, right? And the fact that they cost more when you add them on stuff in restaurants, I'm like, really? You charging me more to eat something nasty? That's my opinion, right? I don't like guacamole. I don't like nothing made with avocados. So like green sauce that they give you at Mexican restaurants to dip your stuff in. No, I don't want it. I don't want it. But I'm gonna start easy today, something a little light work, right? Avocado toast. Now this is gonna be like my own kind of concoction because I want to give it the best chance for me to like it, right? And we're gonna see how that tastes. I may end up trying to use like a different sauce, like some sriracha or something like that to add flavor. I don't really know. Just stick with me and we're gonna see how it goes. I'm not really feeling like it's gonna go great, but I'm hopeful. If there's some foods that you don't like, that you would like me to try, more likely than not, it's something I don't like too. So drop it in the comments below and I'll try that out. But give me a second. We're gonna get prepping with the avocado toast. Okay guys, so it's done. I'm gonna taste it. I'd be lying if I wouldn't say, or what is it? No, I'd be remiss if I didn't say I'm nervous, but I am. We're gonna just get right into it, okay? Boom, the egg gonna be fine. Ain't nobody worried about the egg. Oh gosh. Okay, so I only did half of the avocado, like I said, because I didn't want to waste it. So I'm gonna just do it. I'm gonna do it. Oh God, scared. Do it, Samantha. Do it. Okay. I know I'm making a face, but I shouldn't be. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move the egg because I want to make sure it's the avocado that okay. I don't know how I feel. Okay, it's not that I don't like it. It's not that it's bad. The flavor is good. The texture of the avocado, still a problem for me. So let's put a little sriracha. At this point, I don't think it's nasty. I think what I'm trying to do is, I don't know, psych myself into dealing with it, because the flavor is actually not bothering me. The flavor is fine. So pat on the back to myself for putting together a nice little flavor combo. And just so you know, I was out of red pepper flakes, so I just used red pepper, like the flour, instead of the flakes. Let me see. You know what my issue is? It feels like, I wish I had brought a napkin in here. What I was thinking about, nothing. It feels like I'm biting into a stick of butter, is the best way to describe how I feel about the texture, the mouthfeel of the avocado. Beforehand, I'm talking super slow, and I hate slow talkers. Beforehand, the taste of the avocado was awful to me, and the texture of the avocado. But at this point, it's not a taste thing, right? I like it with that Mrs. Dash garlic powder seasoning stuff. I like it with the red pepper. The sriracha hits it with a little boom, kick of spice, a little flavor for your ear. But and everything but bagel season, I love that stuff. What they say about Frank's Red Hot Sauce, I put that such and such on everything. I do. I like the sriracha. So it'll just be a matter, I think, of trying to learn how to tolerate the texture. So for this segment, I'm not gonna actually be rating things, right? It's just gonna be about me trying new stuff, right? So learn to like, that's what we're doing here. We're learning to like foods I hate. We started with avocado. I would say right now it's a fail. I don't like it, but I don't hate it as much as I did when we started out. So guys, if you've enjoyed this video, please be sure to comment, to like, and subscribe. Please, if there are foods that you don't like, drop it in the comment section below, and maybe I'll try those things out. More chances than not, more likely than not, whatever you put in there is something I don't like either, because apparently I got the palate of a toddler. So until next time, I'll catch y'all later.